Welcome to another System Jones video. In this video I am going to show how to install extra packages in MikroTik router using Winbox. Sometimes you may find that some packages are missing in your router OS, such as userman package, NTP package, dude package, and so on. If you want this feature in your router OS, you have to install these packages manually. To install these packages, we have to follow some steps. At first, we have to find the architecture name and the router OS version, and then we have to download the exact packages with this architecture name and version, and then we have to upload the downloaded packages to MikroTik root directory, and then we have to reboot the router to install uploaded packages. So now we will do these steps in a MikroTik router. First, log in MikroTik router with Winbox software, and then find which packages are missing. From here you can see NTP package and userman package are missing. So now we will install these packages. At first we have to know the architecture name and router OS version, so go to system and then resources. From resources window we can see our architecture name is PowerPC and the router OS version is 6.40. Now we'll download userman package and NTP package for this architecture name and router OS version. So go to mikrotik.com and then software, and then download archive and find the router OS version from stable releases tree. So 6.40. Okay, now find the zip file which contains all the packages with our architecture name. All packages PCPC, that means PowerPC zip file. Now download this. Our download has been finished. Now copy this to desktop and extract here. Okay, here you will find the userman package, npk file, and the NTP. Okay, now we will upload these packages to MikroTik root directory. So go to files and drag and drop this npk files, userman and NTP. Okay, upload has been complete. Now we will reboot our MikroTik router. Okay, router is rebooting. After rebooting, we will log in our MikroTik router and find that NTP package and userman package are not here. So check whether it is installed or not from package list. Here you can find userman package and NTP package has been installed. Okay, so this is for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any query, please put in comment, and if you are a newcomer, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye.